Week 3, Case Preparation. Many times the interpreter will not be able to do any prior preparation, but if possible, it will help streamline the process. As mentioned below, this week you're being asked to review a medical case to discover the various elements involved. Remember to keep a journal and write something related to this week's topic, case preparation. Include this in the discussion forum for class participation. Search the Bible for something related to this week's topic and write a brief description. Find a YouTube related to the weekly topic as well. After watching it, write a review and an evaluation. Remember, each week there's a project which you are expected to complete and post as indicated. This week's project is to review a medical case and make notations of the various elements you will need to know and interpret during the proceedings. Add words to your lexicon. Unless you know a medical provider personally, you will have had to make prior arrangements with the provider and the patient to view the case. You should be reading a book on medical interpreting and writing a brief 3 to 5 page summary of the book and an evaluation. This assignment will be due at the end of the course. Remember to add questions to the question board. Finally, remember by the end of the course you will be expected to have developed a lexicon or glossary where you list the words and corresponding words in your chosen language. The purpose of case preparation is to help you as you interpret. If you have reviewed the case, you will know what the case is about, the names of those involved, the antecedents, and where the case is in the healthcare process. Each of these elements will be helpful because they will give you clues into what will be said and therefore need to be interpreted. Often the dates, names, prior visits, etc. are some of the most difficult things to interpret because those involved rattle them off without waiting or catching their breath. If you've done your homework, then you too can rattle them off as well because you will have them written down and only have to listen for things that are different. Case preparation also helps you become comfortable with the dynamics of the situation. You know what to expect, you know the actors, you know the events, you know the documents, and as you will discover, each of these has a formulaic part to play in the healthcare process. Because of that, you know what's coming next and can be anticipating what you will need to say and not be fumbling for word. Being prepared is not wasted time. It will keep you from making errors and keep the process more professional.